In pheochromocytoma, why it's very important to give the alpha blocker first than beta blockers. Pheochromocytoma is a rare tumor of adrenal medulla that secretes a massive amount of catecholamines, means epinephrine and norepinephrine. That means the body is constantly in a fight or flight mode. Due to this mode, there is severe hypertension in the body, headache and sweating, palpitations and panic attack like episodes in the body. Catecholamines act on two main types of the receptors. The first receptor is the alpha receptors and the second one is that of the beta receptors. They have different functions. For example, alpha blockers cause vasoconstriction leading to the high blood pressure in the body, while on the other hand, beta receptor cause vasodilation and control the heartbeat in the body. Now imagine you mistakenly give a beta blocker first, then what happens? You block the beta receptors while the alpha receptor remains wide open in the body, causing the vasoconstriction. This causes unopposed alpha stimulation leading to extreme type of vasoconstriction in the body, sudden and severe hypertension in the body, a risk of stroke, cardiac dissection and death. Due to this reason, beta blocker first is very dangerous in the body. What is the correct treatment or sequence for pheochromocytoma? We should give alpha blocker first and then beta blockers. First step is give an alpha blockers. Phenoxybenzamine, doxazosine and perazosines are very helpful in case of pheochromocytoma. They cause the relaxation of the blood vessels, control the hypertension and stabilize the patient. For example, we give the phenoxybenzamine to cause the vasodilation in the blood vessels. Then we add a beta blocker to block the beta receptors such as propranolol. Because our main aim is to control the tachycardia, first we block the alpha receptors and then we block the beta receptors to control the tachycardia in the patient. This prevents the arrhythmia without causing any dangerous spikes of blood pressure in the body.